Okay, hello guys. Today I'm going to show you where to get Prime Reach, Prime Pistol Ammo Mutation and Prisma Veritux, which is an upwing weapon, melee weapon, and Sigil. So let us go to Mercury and La Runda Relay Sector. Let's go. Okay, let me get there real quick. Is it at the center? So give me a moment.
Tenno, may I extend an invitation to
Okay,
you?
this is the Void
My
Trader.
latest collection of choice items
But before
from
you
Void
do, make
is
sure
now
you have
available
enough
for
ducats
viewing.
and credits. For those of you who do not have ducats, please come here and sell your prime part for ducats. Let me sell a bit first. Okay, I think that's all. That's enough for me. So I'm gonna sell this for ducats. So after you have sell this for ducats, okay, exit this and proceed to the Void Trader. Sorry, this here. So this is the Void Trader. Click on him.
Do have
Okay,
a look.
as you
Who
can
knows?
see,
You may turn into a
300
paying
ducats.
customer someday.
Plus 220k for Prime Reach, 400 ducats and plus 140k credits for Prime Pistol Mutation, 550 ducats plus 150k for Prisma Veritux, which is the upwing melee weapon, and 50 ducats plus 50k credits for the Prisma Sigil. Okay, so that's all for my video today, guys. Do like and subscribe to my channel for future videos. Thank you and goodbye.
I'm addicted to you. Let's dance all night.